We're participating in the Nature 2.0 track. We specifically chose this track because in our view it's a blank canvas that we get to fill with technology and basically portray our image of the future with the technology that we have now. We're here to try to win the hackathon.
How do you explain a solution that can potentially transform Mars into a habitable planet?
We're gonna have settlers on Mars, and then like we have 2 planets instead of 1, and who knows, if we can do Mars, we can do maybe other planets. The start of like the space exploration for humans. So yeah, it's gonna be change the world perhaps.
Even though the concept is very far-fetched, it is actually grounded in the world of today, and that means that we can build it.
For us to be able to think of how the future would look like and think about the foundational infrastructure that is needed to make this happen, that's where we want to go.
For terraforming Mars, we don't know what the state is of Mars, we don't know what we need. There's so many unknowns. The agents in nature, so the animals don't know everything, but they adapt. So if you want to terraform Mars, that's what you need. You need a system that can adapt to the situation.
If we figure out how to terraform another planet, that means that we've figured out how to optimize our own planet. We have to have the right amount of oxygen levels, we have to have clean oceans, we have to have all of these things. And currently the problem is that the economy as we see it now is basically optimizing for profit.
So you have, let's say, a mostly capitalistic society in which you are incentivizing a lot of different actors to create their own companies, to run their own services, to run everything proprietary, not to share with the others. But what if this would be a commons?
How we're tackling it this year is we're focusing on the protocol level, the ways these machines communicate with one another.
So right now we're a team of 6 heavily technically oriented individuals because we really needed to make sure that we can build this in the hackathon.
We can use some input from like people that are experts in genetics, so and especially genetic algorithms, because we learn a lot of genetic algorithms that are used in AI. Maybe sci-fi authors, like how to really build out the concept further, the story. But also really cool is like a really expert on gaming AI.
And the story part is important for us, and we really try to explain the story, but we will need help with that. Nature 2.0 for us was a massive shift in thinking.
Through the inspiration that Jan Peter brought to us of breaking out of those barriers of thinking about today and then picture an ideal world. And how would that look like?
After 1 year of still having the Jan Peter mentality regarding building the unimaginable, it really took us to the next level of thinking.
That's what it is for us. It's a blank canvas to be as creative as possible, shaping the future of tomorrow.
I'd love to see a living city on Mars.
I'm not sure if terraforming Mars is relatable, but I think it's really cool for everyone.